Alright, what's going on? Coming at you with a very, very quick video. It's 9:43. I was out at 9:34 tonight. I don't know why I said that. For a P&L of 2.2K today, which is like, a little average, maybe a little below average win. So let's talk about this trade. So going into the day, I said bearish for today. We inversed a 4-hour to the downside and are respecting hourly gaps. No obvious targets or gaps are below, so we could reverse that open and take out session highs from last night. Definitely more of a reactionary day. Another thing is we had PPI or PMI, let's see, PPI at 8:30, and what did we do? We left this data wick on both assets. So immediately I saw this hourly, I saw this hourly low, and then I saw this 15-minute. Why did this 15 minutes stick out to me? Because it was a internal low from London session, an internal low meaning a low inside of a 15-minute gap here. And what happened? Right at open, we ran this low and made an SMT with ES. ES did not run that low. And then we got this perfect V-shaped 30-second. Only negative about this play was the shitty-ass candle close, so I had to adjust my stop loss to be just a close below the fair value gap instead of at the level or at the low. So what happens? We have our external SMT. Let's pull up the checklist. We have a rejection out of a higher time frame PD array. Yes, we're sweeping liquidity because we swept that, and then we also are coming back above these pre-market highs. So that's rejection out of a higher time frame. We have a external SMT and an IFVG, and we're targeting external liquidity with the data high above. As for internal SMT, unsurprisingly, like this kind of, but not really. We couldn't really make an SMT that quickly because it was so early into the day. Like I entered at 9:33, which I never do. I never, ever, ever enter that early. But what did I do? We got the entry. I sniped maybe a little bit closer to here, and then I took partials out. I think I was in about 4 cons. I took 3 of them out right here at this high. And then I wanted a runner to the data high, and I started as momentum came up with these green ass candles trailing very aggressively. We got this wick and then came back and hit me right about here, stopped me at my trailing, which was a little above where my TP1 was, so it ended up just being like, about a little less than 1 RR trade. maybe even. So yeah, the stop loss was hit trailing up here. And now the reason why I trailed so aggressively instead of just leaving the runner is because yesterday we did the same exact thing. We pumped off an inverse at open to a data high, and then we just missed it by a point or two, and it ended up break even and even stopping out a lot of people. I really like this trade though. I mean, coming into the day, I said that we could get a push at open to potentially hit a 5-minute, take out some targets. As you can see, we came up and tried to inverse this 5-minute, and now we're dumping, so I think today is probably going to be pretty manipulative, so it's very, very good that I was able to get off this quickly, pause. So yeah, the data high was above TP1 here at this at these highs. Didn't even go break even on this trade until TP1 was hit. So yeah, very, very good trade. The boys in the premium caught this shit with me. I mean, yeah, it was a 5-minute stream. Feel bad for them they couldn't hang out with me a bit longer today. I know I'm such a great presence to be around. So, it sucks for them, but very, very good trade. Good way to, I was a little green coming into today. Now I'm green as fuck. So yeah, that's some manyan for the week. So yeah, now it's 9:47. I'm going to post this recap, post some reels, and I'm going to get on with my fucking day. Because now the annoying part of the day is over. So yeah, that's the recap. Peace.